Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be doing geometry, and the joke for the day is this: how do elephants get in trees? So, you guys have to sketch the net of the brick and label the measurements of the length, width, and height. So what you have here is a brick that Mrs. Eaton wants to sleep on. So we're going to have the bottom of the brick, sides of the brick, the top of the brick, and the front and the back of the brick. So on this right here, it'd be 0.87 and 0.34. 0.34 and 0.87 will be over here because the top and bottom are the same. This will stay 0.34 all the way across. And this will be 0.87 going straight up and down. All my corners will be 0.24. Okay. And I'm sorry it's really messy. It's just hard to do this without a stylus. But either way, when you go to work this out, this section right here should be 0.0816, which means over here this is 0.0816. Over on this one it should be 0.2958. This one should be 0.2958. And then it should be 0.2088 and 0.2088. And then down here on part B, it says, what is the least amount of plastic covering? The square yards needed to cover the entire brick. Do not round your answer. When you add all this up, it should be 1.1724 square yards. Next one. On this one right here, you guys have a cylinder, and you guys have to find the net of that. So on this one right here, a cylinder breaks apart like this. We've opened up a pop can before in here, but up here, the net, you'd have a radius of 5 and the radius of 5 here. And we know this is the height right here, and then this long side right here is known as our circumference. We've seen that quite a bit. To find circumference, it's pi times diameter. And so that we know this is going to be 3.14159 times 10. And so when you do that, that's actually 31.4159. We have to take this times the 15 to get this right in here, which means the area of this section is 471.2385. The area of the circles is going to be, when you do 3.14159 times 5 squared, that's going to get you 78.53475. Nope, 539, sorry, 75. So you have two of these, so this up here is the same as that as well, so you have to add this twice, plus this, and when you add all those up, your answer for how much orange paint you're going to need is 628 and 318 thousandths, and that'd be square feet. Alright, let's go to the next one. On this one right here, Harriet wants to build a circular fence around her circular statue. Her statue has a circumference of 34.55749 feet. She would like the diameter of the fence to be 60% bigger than the diameter of the statue. So we need to figure out the diameter of the statue first. We know the circumference of the statue. Circumference is pi times diameter. We know the circumference is 34.55749, and that should equal pi times diameter. To get diameter, I would just divide by pi or divide by 3.14159. When I do that, I end up getting my diameter to equal 11 feet. So the diameter of the fence is 60% bigger, so I have to do 11 times 0.60. When you do that, that's 6.6 feet bigger, so I have to add that. So 11 plus 6.6 equals 17.6 feet. Then how much will it cost to build a fence? So on this one right here, you guys first have to figure out how much circumference you have. So you have to go ahead and do 17.6, because that's the diameter, times 3.14159. And when you do that, give me 1 second here, that's pi times diameter. You're going to end up getting 55.29 1984 feet, and it's going to be $3.44 for each one of those feet. So you have to multiply that by $3.44. So times by 3.44, and that's going to be $190.20. I'm going to write it down here. $190.20. And then when you go to part D, it says how much will it cost to do that with tax this time. So you have to figure out a 7% tax of that. So $190.20 times 0.07. 190.20 times 0.07 is going to be $13.31 for tax. So you have to add that to the $190.20. When you add 13.31 plus 190.20, you end up getting $203.51. Alright, and that should take care of it for today. So guys, the joke for the day is this: how do elephants get in trees? And they just parachute from airplanes. Duh. Have a great one, guys.